Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can delete H&M account. So first, open your browser and then just need to log in with your H&M account. So here, tap on the profile at the top and tap on My Account. So once you tap on this My Account, you'll then basically go to the page where you can just go to the inbox. Right, so you'll find the message icon at the bottom right. So tap on that and then it will show you the next page. And here you can type your concern and you can just type right here, delete account. So once you type in delete account, just tap on the up arrow button. And as you can see, it gives you some of the instructions on how you can basically delete your account. So basically, it will show you that you need to unsubscribe to this section to your account so you won't receive any of the newsletter. But in this case, they give you an email to contact. So basically, you can send a message with this email that you want to delete your H&M account. Now, let's try another way on how you can find this option. So basically, if we go back to the very first page or the home page button, so you can scroll up and tap on the three lines at the top left-hand corner. So we're going to tap on the three lines at the top left-hand corner and here scroll down and select customer service. So here in customer service, same process. Once you're here on this page, then you will find a message icon right here at the bottom right. So same procedure, you just need to tap on the message icon and then you will basically open up a message where you can type here your concern. So here you can type either you want, for example, I want to delete my account. So you can just write down right here. And then once then tap on the arrow button, again, they will send you an instructions on how you can unsubscribe from the H&M newsletter. And you can basically send a message to this email and contact email where you want to send the email that you want to delete your account permanently. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.